Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Thought I'd share a little uh, money-saving tip with y'all. Today I'm in the beginning, or in the middle rather, of making my own clothing soap. Some of the detergents make me itch like crazy. This type doesn't bother me at all. Give it a try if you're sensitive to soaps. Hopefully this will do the trick for you. This is what I got going. This is what I have going. I've got a Laundry Booster Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. I have 20 Mule Team Borax Detergent Booster. A few of you may remember a fellow that eventually became our president used to do commercials for this outfit. His name was Ronald Reagan. Okay, I've done this portion a couple of different ways. There's something called naphtha. I believe it's a non-allergenic type soap. I've used ivory soap, and this is the first time I've used this Zote. You get more, and it has I don't know, I don't know whether it's a fragrance or not, but it's not offensive. So I've cut a third of this. It's a 14.1 ounce bar. I've cut a third of it. I think it costs like 98 cents. The 20 Mule Team cost about $3.50. Same with the Arm & Hammer. It was $3.50 or $3.99, right in there. Anyhow, what someone else had worked this out, and it comes up to running us about 3 cents per wash. You know, and it drives me a little goofier than I already am to go to the grocery store. Now you can't hardly get the granular type powdered soap. You buy the liquid soap. It's all over the shelves everywhere. Basically, what I'm thinking when I have been in the situation where I needed some soap immediately, and I went ahead and reluctantly bought the liquid soap. I'm thinking I'm paying for water. And basically that's what you're doing. So I have this. I do approximately these days about 1 load a week, sometimes 2. This particular, let's see, this detergent booster is about, I've used 2/3 of it. I just threw away the soda. They've lasted me a year, so $9, 1 or 2 loads a week. No, that's not too shabby, and for something that doesn't make me itch, that's great. What I have here is an old salad shooter that I've had probably 20 years, and basically all I use it for these days, because they've made cheese the same price whether it's grated or not. I put the Zote ivory or the naphtha soap in there. I turn it on to grate. I put a cupful of this into this thrift store find pot. I believe it's originally was for an old-fashioned stove, and it would set down into one of the burning areas. Anyhow, you don't see them anymore. So what I do is I just grind up the soap. One thing I want to let y'all know about, if this gets away from you, you have to keep a good eye on it. Stir it stirred up. I've already put the borax 20 mule team and the washing soda in there. If it gets too hot, it's going to boil over, and you wish you'd spent 3 times the money to buy the regular stuff. I've been there, done that, but I've learned, and I just watch it real close. So anyway, I just wanted to pass this on to y'all, and y'all have a great day. Be safe, and enjoy your clean, non-allergenic soap, clean clothes. Take care.